Hey guys, I'm Thomas. Today I'm gonna make tools for children to study English. You can use any empty boxes. You need a straw. Prepare the wool please. 1 arm long. You need a 4. Now make it fun to draw your own maps. Please make the space to ask questions. And think of the passage and create the track. It's good to measure the distance in advance. Now make a hole in the trap you drew. When you use a knife, always be careful. Cut the straw into appropriate sizes and make 4 pieces. Attach a straw to each corner with a glue gun. Glue gun should not touch the straw hole. Be careful. Insert the fallen threads that you have made into each straw hole. Finally attach the wool from the straw to the piece. I'll leave the extra decorations to your creativity. The core of this making project is 2 things. One is that you can learn English with fun. If you have children, ask 나는 공부했다 in English. If they say I was studied, it's wrong. Let's get started with the Thomas project. Our children say I studied. And the other is that you can learn to cooperate. Why don't you try it with your children for 추석?
시작! 자, 나는 공부합니다. 나 공부했습니다. 오케이. 자. 자, 우리 반 지옥으로 깨다. 자, 난 공부할 거예요. 난 공부할 중이었어요. 오케이.
You'll be in trouble if you don't take your time. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, and if you like my video, please subscribe and give thumbs up. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.